Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, I want to dive in to Elon Musk's new Robotaxis that he said he will be launching this summer, which quite literally could be the end of Uber and Lyft, because Tesla is going to be launching in my opinion, the first big competitor to Uber and Lyft. I don't think, what are the other rideshare apps like, gosh, I can't even remember the names because they're not real competitors. Uber and Lyft have dominated this space for so long, but this summer, Elon Musk says that Tesla will launch their ride-sharing service. So I want to dive into that and actually, raise this question: could this be the end of Uber and Lyft? Could this be the end of rideshare? I mean, even if they take away half of the rides, that would mean pickup times would be way longer because there'd be less drivers. Drivers would just be waiting around way longer, or they just quit. Or do I think doing Uber and Lyft anymore is a good idea? All right, we're gonna talk about that. Before I jump in, wanted to tell you guys, I recently launched a community for you guys to join. If you want to make extra money, you can now get free access until the end of the month. There's 5 more days. You get free access to join my TikTok Shop Premium program. Some of you guys don't know, but I have over 1 million followers on TikTok. I make money on TikTok, and right now they have a program called TikTok Shop where you can actually set up a store and start making money. I break it all down, super easy to get started, well, when you join my community. And again, you can get free access right now. Sign up. There's no obligation. You can cancel at any time. And people are making tens of thousands of dollars per month doing this. It's because they're trying to compete with Amazon. TikTok is now. You can buy stuff on TikTok, and I'm actually selling stuff on TikTok, making money. It's one of my many streams of income, but I think this is the best way to get started. You don't need to show your face. You don't need any experience. You don't need any prior knowledge of doing TikTok. You don't even need TikTok on your phone. You can, I'll teach you how to do it all. So yeah, I have 2 pages on TikTok. One with over 1 million followers. It's like 1.6 million. And the other one has, I think, 380,000 followers on TikTok. So I know how to grow pages and grow businesses with TikTok specifically. Even this channel you're watching on YouTube has over 1 million followers, subscribers. So take it from me, join my community down below, and I show you how to do it all in there. So hope to see you in there. Otherwise, let's dive into this. I think this is super interesting, and now we actually do have footage or screenshots of the Tesla Robotaxi app. So let's take a look. Chrome in 3, 2, 1, click. So this is teslarati.com. This is Tesla gives first look at Robotaxi powered ride hailing app. So this is what it looks like. And trust me, I will be doing this, so make sure to subscribe. I will be ordering driverless cars with Tesla for sure, if I can. Summon, it says summon, hold to order, estimated wait time 3 minutes. The car just comes to pick you up. And by the way, I just was renting a Tesla and I was testing out the full self-driving. It was insane. I was leaving Target. I don't know. I was getting groceries or whatever I was doing, and my house is like 7 minutes away. And I said, you know what? Let me test this out, because they're actually allowing all Teslas right now. It's like, I believe it's a 1 month free trial, or not even free trial, but just free access to full self-driving. So all the cars, you just double click the down button, it drives for you. Just type in your destination. Like literally, I did not put my foot on the pedal once. You have to hold on to the steering wheel just so that it, you're basically supervising it. But I did literally nothing. I didn't turn, I didn't stop at the stoplights. It changed lanes for me. It accelerates, it merges, it's crazy. It stops for pedestrians, it does everything. So I tested it out as, behind the wheel. It's so good. It was crazy. It was, they're like better than human drivers. I hate to say it, but humans suck at driving. You wonder why there's so many car accidents. And I honestly hate to, kind of agree that I think self-driving, it's gonna really reduce accidents on the road because people aren't gonna be speeding. People aren't gonna be texting and driving. Sure, there might be an error here and there, but think about the thousands and thousands of deaths that can be avoided without people driving recklessly, you know. Anyways, so this is what it looks like 3 minutes away, Tesla Model Y. 4-passenger max, capacity 68 degree. Okay, oh, you can control the climate in the car. That's interesting as a passenger. Yeah, you don't, I mean, you can tell the driver, hey, turn up the AC or whatever, but it's not like, you know, this is way different. Tesla gave a first look at its Robotaxi powered ride-hailing service by way of potential smartphone app that would be used to summon a vehicle. So Tesla teases Robotaxi ride-hailing function. I guess maybe Elon Musk shared that. LiDAR versus Tesla. So I believe it was August 8th is the day that he says Elon Robotaxi unveiled for August 8th. So Elon Musk shared that on Twitter. And I believe he cannot share stuff like that if it's not true anymore because of the whole Tesla stock fiasco that happened in the past. Because obviously if he shares something like that, it could boost the price of the stock. And if it's not true or if it doesn't happen, then you know, that could potentially be like lying to investors. And I think because it's so short away, April to August, that's only what, 3 months, guys? Like, it's not like Elon saying, oh yeah, in, you know, 2035 it's gonna happen. He says no, it's gonna happen in 4 months, 5 months at the time he posted it. Yeah, it's about 4.5 months now. You know, it's so close. He must have all the regulations ready. He must have all the approvals, everything ready to go. And I think it's actually gonna happen now because, again, like, just based off of how short away the announcement is, it's really like, I think, yeah, so he did it on April 5th. So it was just about 4 months after his tweet. He did it 4 months prior. So I think it's gonna happen. I'm really excited, but at the same time, I do think, guys, it's probably going to eventually replace Uber and Lyft once people get comfortable taking driverless cars. So if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, look for other opportunities. Join the TikTok Shop program down below. Test that out. Test out making money on, you know, there's tons of different ways to make money now. Uber and Lyft, I hate to say it, but like, it is a good way to make some quick cash for sure, but like, there's better opportunities out there 10,000%, okay? I'm not saying, like, I don't regret driving Uber, I don't regret driving Lyft. I think it's a great way to make some quick money. If you gotta pay rent, you gotta pay credit cards, but hey, a long-term way to make good money, there's tons of other things out there. There's just so many opportunities. I mean, it's just social media and the internet and this short form content and this everyone's on their, people are spending so much time on your phones. Let's address the elephant in the room. People are going on their phone, watching ads, doing this, doing that. Why don't you start a business where people are scrolling on their phone watching your content or buying stuff that you're selling so that you can make money, right? Crazy idea, I know. So let me know your thoughts with this, the end of Uber and Lyft. And again, if you want to check out my site, you can start your free trial so you can sign up for 7 days. And I will be adding to it. If you want to read this, I wrote a little story about how I got started. I didn't come from much at all. Like, I came from a single parent household. I didn't come from money. Social media changed my life. And I think TikTok Shop is the best way to kind of get started right now and start making some $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month. And I think TikTok is just, it's crazy. And a lot of people are saying it's getting banned. I think there's at least another solid year left before worst case scenario it does get banned. I've made tens of thousands of dollars on TikTok in a single year. you can do that as well before it gets banned. If it does get banned, boom, it gets banned. You can join the other apps too, okay? All right, guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you guys. Let me know, is this the end of Uber? The end of Lyft? We'll see. Bye now.